hung up. Double, double. Single, double, single. And he's coming down the front stretch into Talladega. Alright, he's got a battle going here. Oh, he gets spun out. Double, single, double, single. Coming out front stretch into Talladega. Alright, he's coming over the tabletop into the double. Oh, he gets hung up. Here he comes over the double. Oh, he rolls it. Alright, he's back on his wheels. So he goes single, double, double, single. Here comes over the tabletop again. Oh, he gets hung up into the guy in front of him. And he waits, courtesy at the track here at Fort Dodge. Alright, here he goes. He goes double, single, single, double. Looks like he's got a tough battle going here with the green truck. He's coming over the big jump in the back. And here he comes over the tabletop, into the double. Got a tough battle going on here. By the way, this is the A main of Mod Short Course. I don't know. Here he is, coming over the 8th section. Here's coming over the back section. Oh, he gets hung up. He's still on the groove though. He's coming over the double. Coming around into the 8-pack. Let's see how he goes. Double, 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 single, single. comes again around the Talladega turn. And that Talladega turn is pretty steep. Easy to slide out on. And here he is again. He's coming over the 8-pack. He goes double, double. And he rolls it and he goes single, single. Coming down the front stretch into the Talladega turn. Or I would call it Bristol turn, but that's me. Here he is over the tabletop. Looks like he's lapped another person. Here he comes down the front stretch again.
Oh, he's back upside down again at the end of the race.
Here it comes into the 8-pack. And here is Alex Strotch in the same race as Nick Lyle. Alright, Alex is driving a 4-wheel drive Traxxas with some mods, but not all modded. Here comes over the tabletop into the doubles. Oh, we had the spin out. Oh, he stuffs it on the back side. Here he comes. Comes into the S section. Out into the 8-pack. Here he goes. He goes single, 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 single. Single, single. Looks like he goes all singles through that section. And then looks like he bangs the side and coming into the Talladega turn. Here he is. He's coming into the back section. Now you see the throttle. Here it comes. And here he is over the double section. Alright, looks like that is it.
You're better than drugs.